Hello and welcome to Promine's Tip of the Week. This week we're going to cover on how to change attributes of blocks as a batch using Excel. So in my drawing, I have planned a few drill holes through my R body, and each of these drill holes is represented by one of these blocks. It includes the hole number and the information about the hole, and it has a verifying geologist. Now, for the geologist to verify all of these holes at the same time, he would have to double click the information in here and update it manually. Or if he wants to verify the blocks all at the same time, he can just use the attribute out command, the att out. You just select all of the blocks you have, type att out, and then create a file that has the attributes in it. I'm gonna call it export and save it. And now inside of Excel, inside of my data, I can actually open this file. It's a TXT file. And import that information into Excel. Now with my preview, I can see that everything looks fine. Each attribute inside of my block gets a separate column. So here is, for example, my geologist. So I can just say Tom, and Tom has to be in all of the columns. And while I'm in here, I also realize that the whole numbering system is actually not correct. So I can just insert a new column and say whole num, which is the name of that column. And I want to add a 1200 to it because this is a level from which I am drilling. So I'm just going to use one of the equations that Excel has to offer, one of the many equations, and say that I always want to use the whole num of here to add it to there. With that, I changed the whole numbering information. And now I can save my file again. I have to save it. I want to save it as the import file. And I have to save it as a tab delimited text file in order to be able to read it again in AutoCAD. So I save it. And inside of AutoCAD, I can now use the att in command to import the attributes. Use my import file, open it, and inside of the blocks, I can now see that the whole numbering system will change together with a geologist that gets in there. So all of my files and blocks have been updated at the same time. Specifically, if there's a large number of blocks, this can be very useful. This concludes this tip of the week. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below.